Look, we've all been there, trying to film a cinematic vacation video only for it to look like a shaky mess. I'm tired of seeing great memories ruined by bad stabilization. I spent the last month testing the top 5 gimbals on the market to see which ones actually hold up in the real world. I bought these myself, took them out on hikes, and used them for my own vlogs, so you don't have to waste your cash on a dud.
Product number 1. Hohem iSteady X3 SE. When I first pulled the iSteady X3 SE out of the box, I couldn't believe how light it felt. It's about 0.8 pounds, so it didn't weigh down my bag at all. The standout for me was the detachable remote. I propped it up on its legs and walked about 30 feet away to test a solo shot, and it worked perfectly. The iSteady 8.0 tech kept things steady while I was jogging, though it's definitely built for more casual creators. The Hohem Joy app has some cool templates, but honestly, the 11-hour battery life is the real winner here. I went a full weekend trip without needing a recharge. If you're just starting out or need something budget-friendly that won't break your back during a long day of travel, this is a solid pick. It switches from vertical to horizontal with one click, which is great for jumping between TikTok and YouTube.
Product number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. Switching over to the Osmo Mobile SE, the first thing I noticed was that classic DJI build quality. It's got this grippy, non-slip texture that feels secure in my hand. What I love about this one is the magnetic clamp. I hate fumbling with clips, and with this, I just snapped my phone on and was ready to go. While testing the Active Track 6.0, I had my dog running circles around me, and the gimbal didn't lose him once. If you have an Apple Watch, you can actually see the camera feed on your wrist, which felt like living in the future. It's a bit more compact than some others, making it my go-to for quick afternoon trips. It's the perfect middle ground for someone who wants the high-end DJI software features and tracking without paying the premium price for the flagship models.
Product number 3. DJI Osmo Mobile 8. The Osmo Mobile 8 feels like the Swiss Army knife of gimbals. When I held it, I immediately noticed the built-in extension rod. It's basically a high-tech selfie stick that actually keeps your footage level. My favorite part during testing was the 360-degree pan. I could set it down and let it follow me in a full circle while I was talking. It also handles audio and lighting better than the older models, which is huge if you're filming in weird locations. I used it to charge my phone while filming a long sunset time-lapse, and it didn't break a sweat. The grip is redesigned to be way more comfortable for low-angle shots. Think filming your kids or pets without hurting your wrist. If you're a serious vlogger who needs one tool that does everything, including charging your phone, this is the powerhouse you want. Product number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Now, the 7P is where things get really interesting for pro-level mobile filming. The multifunctional module is a total lifesaver because it integrates mic reception and lighting right into the unit. When I was testing this in a dimly lit park, the extra light made a massive difference in my face tracking. Speaking of tracking, it uses dual lenses to stay locked on your subject. I tried to break the tracking by moving fast and ducking behind trees, but it stayed glued to me. It's got that quick launch feature where the Mimo app pops up the second you unfold it, which saved me from missing a few candid shots. It also gives extra juice to your phone if you're using the DJI mic. This is the one I'd grab if I were shooting a serious short film or a high-end brand deal.
Product number 5. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. The Osmo Mobile 6 is the old reliable of the group, and it still holds its own. The side wheel is the star here. I used it to get those smooth, cinematic zooms that make a video like it was shot on a big rig. It's incredibly fast to set up. As soon as I unfolded it, the gimbal powered on. I spent a day following the shot guides in the app, and it actually coached me through how to frame my shots, which is a massive help if you aren't sure where to start. It's super lightweight at about 305 grams, so I barely felt it in my pocket. The Active Track 6.0 is just as snappy here as on the newer models. If you want that tactile side wheel for manual focus and zoom control, this is definitely the one to get for that movie look. Outro. That's the breakdown of the best gimbals I've put to the test this year. Whether you want the budget-friendly Hohem or the feature-packed DJI 8, you really can't go wrong. Check the links in the description for the best prices today. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know.